Today I will compare two soundbar in this video, so keep watching the video for details. Firstly, design. Dimensions. Weight. Sub-wireless. Bar mounting holes. Mountable bar. Bar bracket include. Mountable satellites. Next, sound. Channels 11.1.4 channel. Tested preset standard. Slope -0.01 and -0.32. Standard error 2.38 dB and 2.32 dB. Low frequency 28.7 Hz and 27.5 Hz. High frequency 19.1 kHz and 19.9 kHz. Crosstalk error 2.33 dB and 2.43 dB. SPL max volume 19.9 dB SPL and 19.4 dB SPL. DRC max volume 0.84 dB and 0.81 dB. Localization discorrect. Next, features. Room correction, yes. Auto volume night mode, yes. Subwoofer level adjustment, yes. Bass adjustment, yes. Travel adjustment, yes. EQ graphics plus preset. Surround level adjustment, yes. Real level adjustment, yes. Height level adjustment, yes. Virtual surround, yes. Next, connectivity. Optical audio in on. HDMI out EARC. Full HDMI in 2. USB for files, no. Ethernet, no. Subwoofer output, no.